Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today is Mannequin Head Monday. Now today I will be working with this mannequin head, showing you a quick and easy style, okay? Now next week I'll probably show you how to do the same style, but on this mannequin head, okay? For all of you all with longer hair, all right? But today let's just work with this one. Now I have already slicked down my hair, and what I have on my hair is two products. I have Ampro Gel and OK Men's Pomade, all right? Y'all know about this one. I love this. OK Men's Pomade. I got that at Walmart. When you find it, you better pick up like 4 because it's hard to find. And then this Pro Style Regular Hold Gel. I've been liking this lately, y'all. All right, I have my hair slicked down, and this is the way it's looking. Can y'all see that? This is the way that my hair is looking. So with this little looks, it comes with 3 bundles. I like this stuff too, y'all. I like this stuff. And I took one off already, and it looks like this. So what we will be doing today, let's see what we will be doing today. I am going to just hook that around. I should have put it on first, but it don't really matter. Tighten it up. Okay. Y'all don't worry about that. That's just me being extra, okay? So what I am going to do is I am just going to take some hair from the mannequin head. So I have a strip of hair here, and I just put that up there so I can have something to hold that hair there. Now I'm going to try something a little different. You know, this hair has the tendency to fly away. So what I'm going to put on my hand is just a little Eco Styling Gel. Okay, y'all, just a little. Just to control the flyaways, okay? Some people use jam. That's good. Some people use pomade, but I'm using this. So only thing I am doing, you all, got that little hair there separated. If you feel like you're going to need more hair to separate, let's just take out a little bit more, but we don't want that much out, y'all. So that's hair taken out from both sides. And here, I am just going to get to braiding. I'm just going to make my equal parts here. Now what I am going to do is braid this hair light. All right, I am not going to make this braid tight at all, because once you start braiding, you all, if you want to come back and fluff that braid out to make it look a little bit special, then you can do that as well. Also, if you want the braid to be thicker, then use 2 bundles of the Little Looks hair. But this, I am braiding it really light. I am making sure that all of my sections are evenly distributed, and we are just going to braid it on down. Now, I have been reading you all's comments in the comment section, and I want to thank you all for leaving them comments about what you are concerned about with your hair, because I address you all's concerns about y'all hair. Now, this is the reason why I like Little Looks, because the hair is short, and I want to leave mine loose on the end. So I am going to put a rubber band here. Now, I am back in the health club, you all. And this hairstyle is going to really help me out in the morning when I just want to put something on my head. All right, see, look at that. Look at that. It's got the natural end left on there, but we still want to just take that one off. We don't want we want it to look as best as it can. So this is the way it's looking now, okay? So what I am going to do is take this off, and the rubber band is still on there. As you see, this is the piece, how it looks. All right. This is how it looks. I am going to leave that rubber band on there. You don't have to. I am going to put this piece together. Now with this, I can put some OK Men's pomade on there, but I'm not. I'm just going to smooth it down with some gel, y'all. So let's put this on my head. Hold on. All right, so we have the hair here. We have the loose piece here. And I am going to just put a pin in. Now you can use the rubber band. to stabilize it if you want. But y'all, I like using pins, So I'm just going to use a hairpin. And I am just going to lay it on top of my ponytail. Okay, can you see that? I'm going to lay it on top of the ponytail.
Okay, so I'm just going to pin this braid in. We could have used the rubber band that we left on there to just put this braid on our hair, but we're going to go ahead and pin it down on top and underneath. Now my hair is black and the braid is brown because I usually use this color hair brown on mannequin head Monday because the mannequin hair is brown.
And I just went underneath. Look at that, y'all. See that? And I just went underneath. So now we are going to take this hair and we're just going to go around.
Now right here, I'm just wrapping the hair around the braid that we just made. If you want, you can, wrap it tighter. But this is basically showing you how easy it is to make your own braid at home. Now, if you want to make the braid thicker, then use 2 of the Little Looks bundles. But this is just how easy and simple that is. And I am going to show you a different way, probably next week, how you can achieve this simple, easy hairdo.
This is the way that we did the hair today. This is the way it looks. Okay. This is the way it looked. We use Little Looks. We use Little Looks for our ponytail, all right? And also, y'all, if we have 3 in here, that means we have 3 different hairstyles. But this should last for a while because we can take it off and put it on, take it off, put it on. Now, for all of my people with longer hair, I'll be back on another Mannequin Hair Monday to show you how to achieve, different ponytail styles with longer hair. Okay, so we'll do that on a different Mannequin Hair Monday. All right, well, that is it. Let me give you a spin. All right, guys. Well, that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know. Y'all already know that I am going to ask you back. Y'all already know that. You guys are the best. You are the reason why my channel is growing, so I will continue to bring you hairstyles that you can use. Also, you all, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do home decors, fashion shows, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. Y'all gonna love that channel. Both of these channels go in together, so y'all are going to love that channel as well. So support both channels, guys. Regina's Way and Regina's TV. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye.